Introducing the Leather Doctor, a fantastic mobile leather and vinyl repair and cleaning franchise, Melbourne, Victoria. Step straight into an award-winning national franchise system by claiming your Leather Doctor Melbourne territory today. Established in 1989, with 70 franchisees across Australia, the Leather Doctor is Australia's leading provider of mobile leather and vinyl repairs, maintenance, upholstery, cleaning and recolouring. This new franchise opportunity gives you the license to exclusively trade within a large territory in Melbourne, large enough for a future subdivision. The Leather Doctor has been named by the Franchise Council of Australia as a finalist in the Franchiser of the Year Awards for 3 consecutive years. The service provides clients with professional cleaning, repair, restoration, and recolouring for items made from leather and vinyl. No experience is necessary, as the Leather Doctor's comprehensive training program equips you with the necessary skills to successfully complete work. You'll have instant access to the company's professionally developed advertising and proven lead generation marketing tools. Franchisees come from a variety of backgrounds, including banking, IT, trades, sales, postal services, and the mining industry. With amazing support and low overheads, the Leather Doctor's reputation in the franchise community is exceptional. Achieve the perfect work-life balance with little competition, great support, and plenty of customers. And watch your income soar.